National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Heard County in west central Georgia, northern Troup County in west central Georgia, until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 150 Crossroads, LaGrange, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, rate indicated. Packed, hail damage. Harrisonville, Hillcrest, Wares Crossroads and Louise. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for west central Georgia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather